The operating system on an iPad is the software that lets the iPad do everything it does. Think of your iPad as the frame of a car. If the iPad is the body, then the operating system is the engine and all the parts inside that make the car work, just like you see in this picture. So, how can you tell which version of the operating system is installed? Because that version gets updated every year. Every year, new features are added to the iPad, and some things about how the iPad works change. If you've had your iPad for a few years, you've probably noticed that over time, the interface looks different. So, how do you find out which version you're running? Just tap Settings, then General, and then About. As you can see here, this iPad is running version 26.0.1. And if you want to know what was changed in this version when it was released, you can tap on it to see the details. And iPadOS version 26.0.1 updated the features listed here. So that's how you check which version of your operating system is installed right now on your iPad.